Mastering phrasal verbs. Look up. Definition plus example sentences. Look up means to search for information or a word in a reference source, such as a dictionary, encyclopedia, or online search engine.
I need to look up the definition of this word in the dictionary.
She looked up the address of the restaurant on her phone before heading there. Heading means moving or going towards a destination.
Before traveling to a new city, it's a good idea to look up the local attractions and create an itinerary.
Itinerary means travel plan or schedule. The phrasal verb lookup can also have other meanings in different contexts, such as directing one's gaze upward or improving one's mood. However, in this case, we are focusing on the specific definition related to searching for information.